You are in Bangkok and Chatuchak Market is not in your itinerary. That has never happened. Imagine a maze. Now fill that maze with 15,000 shops and 200,000 people. Turn up the heat to 35 and then fill the air with smell of grilled chicken, chili, spices and coconut. Basically that's Chatuchak Market for you. Welcome to Chatuchak Weekend Market. They call it JJ Market as well. This is the largest weekend market in the world. If you come here without a plan, you will get lost. You will get some of the best street foods here in the city, then good art, and honestly, many more things. This market is filled with goodies that you can explore. There are multiple ways to reach Chatuchak, but there is this blue line and there is this kamphaeng phet station, and Chatuchak station is just besides that. There are hundreds of things to buy in this market. Market is filled with various shops selling bags, articles, Thailand style dresses, toys, children's items, and many more. Market is like endless. It's a huge market. It is divided into 27 sections. There's a clock tower that's smack in the middle and you go around it. Market is a huge circle, and when you dive into small alleys that are the sois, there the stores are. Once you arrive here and probably eat something, which in fact you should, because in many cases it's afternoon, 35 degrees outside, you should really hydrate while coming here. Once you eat or drink or have your takeaway, then go to section 5 and 6. This is the vintage zone. You'll get old style designs here. If you talk about money, cash is king here. Many stalls now accept QR codes if you have Thai banking app, but for tourists, bring your bahts. Bring them in small bills. And for bargaining, of course, yes, you should do it. But don't be aggressive. If a t-shirt is 300 baht, ask for 200 or 250. If you buy two, ask for 350 and start from there. There are many unique articles and gift items. Stores are filled with these. It's going to be an endless walk here and you need a hydration break. There is an area in middle where there are food stalls and juice centers. Please have coconut, juices, etc. and keep yourself hydrated because it will be a good walk back to the station as well. These small items such as this waving cat, which is known as Maneki Neko. Lanes are filled with endless stores on necklaces, dresses, bags. Girls are going to enjoy shopping here. If you survive from the endless walk here, before going out, grab a foot massage right here in the market. It will be some of the best 100 to 300 bahts you'll ever spend. You cannot complete the entire market tour in few hours. You'll need to actually reserve entire day for here to go through various sections. And just in case if you're not interested in, and just in case you don't like walking, you can plan few hours of certain sections only. If you like the guide, hit the like and subscribe button. I'll see you in the next one.